नमस्कार दोस्तों. In the video series of placement and interview preparation and logic building, we'll be discussing about our next program, which is one of the most important program and mostly asked in interviews, that is palindrome of a given number. So in this program we'll be doing this and we'll using an application which we have studied in the previous video, that is reversing a given number. If you have not watched that video, I will recommend you to watch that video because we'll be using the entire concept in this one. So you will find the link in the description and at the I button as well. Make sure you watch that video before this. So I am Anchal and we are watching our channel The Insight Coders. So let's begin. So here we have to find the palindrome of a given number. So initially we need to know what actually is the palindrome. So if a number is say 45654, if I see the number from left, the answer is 45654. If I see the number from right, again the number is 45654. Since both the numbers from left and right is equal, that means the number is given number is palindrome. If I talk about the number 1 2 3 4 5, what will be the reverse? 5 4 3 2 1. Since the two numbers are not equal, that number is not a palindrome. So this is all about palindrome. So let's see one example. So here the number was 45654. We have to reverse the number, like the rightmost number at the first place, that is 4. Second rightmost at second place, that is 5. Third rightmost at third place, that is 6. Fourth rightmost at fourth place, that is 5. And fifth rightmost at fifth place, that is 4. So the reverse of this number is 54654. What was the actual original number? The original number was also the same, 45654. Since the original number and the reverse number both are same, that means the given number is a palindrome. So let's see a general program which works for all the numbers to find that whether the number is a palindrome or not. So we'll come to the program afterwards. Let's see to the logic. So what we are actually doing? We took a number. You can also take this from input from the user by using the statement int input. We have stored the original number n into another variable, that is original. Took one variable reverse because we need to reverse. I told you must have watched the video of reversing a number because we'll use the entire concept here. For reversing a number, we used to use a loop for n greater than equals to 0 or until unless n is not equals to 0. Both are absolutely correct. We find the remainder. Add the remainder to the reverse by multiplying it by 10 and simply divide our number by 10. So these three statements will finally, after completing this loop, will give us the reversed value. So what we have to check? The original value is equals to reverse or not. Mostly students make one mistake, they check this n variable. But actually this n is decrementing every time. And the value of n reaches 0 when this loop terminates. So how can you compare 0 to equals to reverse? So for that we uses this extra variable original and compares it to reverse. If it is true, then we simply print the number is a palindrome, else we will print the number is not a palindrome. So for this we have just traced the given program. While loop, the number initially was 45654, divided it by 10, the remainder is equals to 4, the unit place digit. We are finding the reverse, simply added it to the number. Then what we'll do, again this number is divided by 10, repeatedly we'll do this work until unless n is not equals to 0. The quotient is this and the remainder is 5. So we have to find the reverse, so we used the latest value of reverse, multiplied it by 10 and added the remainder, which we are doing with this formula. And we'll do this work repeatedly until unless our number becomes 0. So finally the reverse of the number is 45654. Since original number was also 45654 and both the numbers are equal, that means the number is a palindrome, and finally this will also print as the output. I hope you got the logic. Well, for finding palindrome there are various other methods as well. You will get all the methods in the link below, the GitHub link, where you will find all the solutions for finding a palindrome of a given number.